Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. What if your after-sales service was as impressive and seamless as your sales process? With Salesforce, you can turn routine service visits into lasting brand loyalty. Let's discover how smart service workflows, automation, AI and real-time visibility redefine vehicle servicing for the modern dealership. Now let's look at after-sales service. A service inquiry can originate from the website or directly at the service center. Here, Laura Bennett arrives at the service center. At the gate, key vehicle information is recorded. Model, number, check-in time, and odometer reading. The service advisor creates a job card by selecting the customer details and assigns it to a technician. Service type is selected. This is Laura's fifth service. Based on the selected service type, the system automatically creates a predefined work plan with necessary steps. The advisor clicks Vehicle Inspection to upload vehicle images. The images can be marked to highlight issues or areas requiring attention, like scratches, dents, or damage. The advisor records customer inputs using voice input. Supporting multiple languages. Check the rear bumper noise, inspect the brake light. It's not working. Engine warning light blinks for a few seconds, then disappears. The assigned technician reviews the uploaded details and images. A road test is conducted and observations are recorded. Status changes to road test completed. Service line items are auto-generated based on the service type. The technician can also add notes after completing each activity. An automatic service estimate is generated and marked as customer approved. The technician begins service activities. Used and replaced products are added under the Product Request tab. Once service is complete, the post-service quality check is performed. An invoice is generated in PDF format. Once payment is received, details are recorded: payment mode, date, and amount. Status is updated to ready for delivery, and finally, once the vehicle is delivered, the status is changed to delivered. As you've seen, Salesforce transforms the automobile sales and service process into a streamlined, intelligent, and connected journey. From the first inquiry to booking, and from vehicle servicing to final delivery, every step is captured and managed in one unified platform. Empower your sales teams, service advisors, and technicians with tools that make their job easier while providing an outstanding experience for your customers. Drop a comment below or reach out to us if you're interested in a demo of our product. Looking forward to connecting with you all. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching. Until then, stay innovative.